this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're gonna be rocketing into the future. Beep, 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 beep. Key code on the front door. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. First, we're gonna remove our old deadbolt. Old lock comes out, and the slide bolt. New one goes in, it even says up. So I know to put that in there that way, and secure. This is not your standard 2 1/4, this is a smaller. So my Weiser lock here has an optional ring that can come off. We're gonna go ahead and fit that through the door like so. And keep in mind our little electronic plug-in deal for the code. Now our post is gonna go in this center hole, and then our wires are gonna feed through this bottom slot there. Good. Let's go ahead and secure that now. Now our cover plate, oops, wires go through the bottom slot, center post goes through the center hole, and tighten it down. Looking good. Take our back housing, cover comes off. So notice we have 2 screw holes here, and then we have 2 screw holes here, and then the bottom one is obviously gonna go on the bottom. It's got red side, white side, so you can tell which way to plug it in. Okay, make the contact, and then thread your post on the back of this guy. Looking good. Let's get the screws threaded. Put our bottom one in first because we know that one's lined up. There we go, it's good and snug. And our other 2 screws. Our lock is working. We're ready for the batteries. Cool. Now we gotta program this bad boy. Your directions are gonna come inside your box. So I would suggest probably not listening to me and do it, since mine might be different than yours anyway. But these are so sweet. You can set a code to a temporary code or a master code, and then you can give guests the temporary code, and you know, whatever happens, you can always change it. If you have people moving out, you can always change the code, and you don't have to keep getting keys back from people, which is pretty sweet. Especially for kids, they don't need to carry keys to school. They get off the bus, beep, 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 code, they're in, sweet. So to program our new Weiser, we're going to hit the reset button here, hold it down for 5 seconds until we hear 3 long beeps. Beautiful. Now we have to set the door handing to get the lock to work. So I'm gonna use my factory installed 0000 master code and type in 0000 lock 0 lock. Boom. All right, the handing is set. Now I'm going to enter a new master code. So we're gonna enter our factory installed 000 code, and we're gonna make a new master code. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Hit the lock, hit 7, hit the lock again, and then do, I'm not telling you my new master code. 2 beeps says it's good to go. Now I'm gonna add a user code. So I'm going to enter my master code that allows me to change codes, not open the door. I'm gonna go lock, hit 1, lock, and then enter my code, which is that, and lock. 2 beeps tells me I'm good. Now I should be able to lock the door, hit my code, and there we have it. So that's it. Super easy. We just rocked that key button, key code, deadbolt entry. Your life will never be the same. So for Home Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.